Water carrying to the village workshop, Foil class. Today, our baby Shark Tank children from Foil class join the exciting water carrying to the village workshop, a traditional Vietnamese-inspired activity that combines fun, movement, and skill development. With tiny steps and bright smiles, the children carefully carry small buckets of water along a miniature village path, trying their best to bring the water safely to the finish line. Jolly was excited to become a little farmer, carefully balancing the bucket to prevent any water from spilling. Hammy enjoyed the challenge, staying focused and determined to complete the task successfully. Traingle participated enthusiastically from beginning to end, patiently carrying water back to the village. Mina beamed with joy after completing the challenge and receiving applause from teachers and friends. What did our baby Shark Tank children learn today? Balance and coordination, gross motor development, concentration and focus, patience and perseverance, appreciation of traditional Vietnamese games, confidence in group activities. Teacher asked, "What should we do to carry more water back to the village?" The children answered, "Walk carefully, don't spill the water." Through this hands-on experience, the children not only enjoyed physical activities, but also learned about the simple and meaningful work of people in traditional Vietnamese villages. Adorable little steps, tiny carrying poles, and cheerful laughter made this workshop a memorable experience for everyone in Foil class. Parents, did you ever play a water carrying game when you were little? Share your memories in the comments and let Baby Shark know.